Please, do you think that I can use my PMP certification to get a job in cybersecurity based in the US? Are you not in the US right now? If you happen to be watching me right now, I got a question on TikTok. They're asking me, do I think that they can use their PMP certification to get a job in the United States? Like, you got to give me more information, okay? So if you have a PMP, so first of all, congratulations, PMP is an awesome certification. I know several cybersecurity people who have a PMP, who they got it because it's a lucrative certification. So congrats on that. Can you get a job? Yes. The answer is yes, you can. If you're not in the United States, it's probably going to take a little bit longer because you're going to have to get a remote job, possibly. I don't know your situation, but the answer is yes. Regardless of the situation, it might not be the job you want. It might not be the money you want. I'm going to demonstrate this to you right now live. Okay, what I'm going to do is go to a common US website. Every country has top search engines that you got to go to. If you're trying to get a job in UK, the UK job search sites are not the same. They're not going to be the same as the ones in the United States. They're not going to be the same in India. Not going to be the same in pick a country. They're all different. So one of the first things you got to do, whatever country you're going to, is find out what are the top search engine, kind of typing while I'm doing this. What are the top search engines that I need to go to in order to find a job? In the US, one of the top ones is called Indeed.com, but there's several other ones. LinkedIn, Monster.com, Dice.com, CareerBuilder.com, ClearanceJobs.com. Those are all US. If you were finding another country, it would be different. Okay, so let me show you guys what I got going on here. If you happen to be watching me still, what I'm doing is I'm on Indeed.com. And I just typed in PMP certified project manager, and let's see what results we get. I hit find jobs. You can do this on any search aggregator, by the way, any job search site. What you would probably want to look at, it depends on your situation. If you're not in the United States, you probably want to get this first one here that's a remote position, and then look at the requirements. So they have qualification. This one's 30 days old, so this is probably gone. See, one of the things you want to do is search by posted date, but for now, like, you probably want to do it within 14 days. But for now, let's just look at this one as an example to get this dude a job. What I would do is I would go to Indeed.com, which is one of the top search engines in this country. And we found one here. It's Technical Project Support Manager. And luckily, project support, PMPs, lends itself to remote positions. So that's why I say yes, you can find a job here. This one has a salary of $100,000 a year. That's pretty good. It's a full-time position. They require a bachelor's degree in addition to your PMP. PMP preferred, bachelor's preferred, so you don't have to have one. 5 years preferred. This is really good. If you haven't have a PMP, you might want to check this one out if you don't make $100,000. But I think this one might be gone because it's over 30 days already.